Hey y'all, in today's video, I'm not going to do too much talking. This is just going to be like a quick get ready with me, first impressions kind of wig. And I plan on coming back in another video, giving you guys my full honest opinion on this wig. It's been about a month and a half since I've recorded this video while I'm doing this voiceover. And I'm wearing this wig right now as we speak. And y'all, I got so much tea to spill on this wig, so make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when I post my next video. Because girl, that video, you don't want to miss it, because listen honey, that's all I'm gonna say. I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one.
Put your sweats on for me. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that heat of love. I wanna ride the all night.
work it in the middle.
I wanna
Ride the
all night.
work it in the middle. Work it in the middle. Ooh, baby,
Do you remember that one times you put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will.
Every time I try to be great, it's always something that stops me from being great. It's like every single time, like how the baby hair stopped me from being great. This info, it could have been so popular without baby hairs, but it needs to be. And then now I want to do them, but I don't know where my edge brush is. I'll be back and better with it. Let me chill out, but I have to get my dirty edge brush, so please don't say nothing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray this little brush. I'm not gonna show the brush because y'all not gonna come for me, but I usually use edge control for curly edges, but this time I'm gonna do the little hairspray. Please just don't come for the brush. That's all I ask. And I don't even really want like super crazy swoops. Like I just want the calm look of 1-2 on the side. So if you see it, like you be like, she got some baby hairs, but and for real, I don't want the baby hair look. But I guess that's all I know. So. Just go ahead and and these little baby hairs is corny, like. But like, I mean, they do what they need to do. I ain't really here for the baby hairs. I got this 4x4 wig to stop with the whole adhesive thing, and this was just gonna be a simple like Kim Kardashian's like center part kind of look, but it didn't work out how I wanted it to. But when I do my reinstall video, we're gonna try it again, and I'm gonna try it again with, you know, bone straight instead of this little body wave curl that I put in there. I'm also tired of straight hair. I'm just trying to switch it up a little bit. It look alright. It ain't the best. And I mean, for this being from Amazon, I think it's cool. Like, especially like if you beginning, like if you a young girl, like I started wearing wigs in high school. So if you like in high school and you wanna try out your first wig, I say go for it. Start out with a closure. This is a 4x4 wig from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's 22 inches. It is body wave. And as you can see, like the knots on it bleach good and everything, and you can do the whole baby hair 1-2. I'm not really here for a whole hairline of baby hairs because this is a 4x4, and I just found it awkward how you had baby hairs 4 inches of your hairline and then the rest of it is just not there. That's why I also pull out that little sideburn down there so that it was giving some type of edge, but I just didn't. I wasn't really here for the whole baby hair look today. And it's just simply because it's getting played out. The curly baby hairs is cute, But all these big old baby hairs on our foreheads, I'm just getting too grown for it. I don't mind it. Like, I'm not trying to knock nobody who do it either, but that's just my personal preference right now. To just kind of like not do it. So that's why you see me right now just like getting a little edge together, like I mean, it still gives the no baby hair look. But it's just not giving flat. Like, I don't know if it's this little hot comb that I just bought or if it's this wig, but my wigs be flatter than this, and this is just not doing it for me. It's like the only issue that I have with it is how it's not really getting flat. And my issue with this hot comb is the dents that it's leaving in my hair. Like, I gotta hold it a certain type of way for it to work. I'm just not feeling it. But I'm trying. Ah, shit. I straight gave myself a burn. I know I'm gonna have a burn in my forehead in the morning and I'm gonna be sick. And the way this y'all feeling, it's probably not even gonna wait till the morning. It's gonna come tonight. But yeah, the hairline is giving. So if you looking for a wig to like have the little frontal effect for the low, I totally recommend this. Like, I'm not the biggest fan of this wig right now, but when you have a wig for some time and you wear it for some time, you start to see what it can really give you. But brand new wigs, it takes some time for them to get their shape. But this is really the finished look. And I'm getting ready to go chill with my friend. A little girls' night thing. We got some bottles and some bottles. Like, no, I'm playing, but we got some bottles. I grabbed a bottle of Henny and a bottle of Sweet Bitch. I honestly won't even take the Sweet Bitch with me. I probably drink that before I go. But yeah, this is the finished look. I wanted the big loose body curls. I was going for the straighter ends, but I don't really care because I know once it falls, the ends are gonna get straight. But yeah, I'm feeling it. For this to be from Amazon and only be as much as it was, I don't know how much I paid off the top of my head, and my phone is not in here with me. But I'm going to leave all of the details of this wig in the description box and also on the screen at some point during this video. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys go out and purchase this wig. They did have different options for the density. This was the standard density, and honestly, it could be thicker, but for what it is, for what you get, I think it's cute. And this is going to be like my everyday go-to unit. So this is like an everyday density. I think this is cool. On a daily basis. I don't want my hair being extra, and that's why I didn't want to do the baby hairs, because on an everyday basis, like, I don't have time to be doing my baby hairs. But this, I gave myself the little 2 temple edges. Really, this is the look, but if it show, who don't got edges? 4x4 wear. And that's the thing, like, you don't gotta give them frontal action, but you giving them some type of something if you pull out your little side.
you.